Service to Nottingham. Calling out Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham.
195004. Now that's what you call running for a train, isn't it? After this train there should be a freight train, I believe, or cement train. 2 minutes behind. Just starting to warm up now. 12:30, lunchtime. Filming this in 4K for a change, yep. 30 frames per second. On the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera, which is better quality than a mobile phone camera. And that one's off to Nottingham. Not long, 20-minute journey. I was expecting a freight train to come from that direction, but it's not come yet. We do have a passenger train coming that way though. (195.001) this one. If a freight train does come, this train's in the way. Right, quick update. I just heard of, here comes a train, just heard the whistle. That's one we've been waiting for. That train obviously wasn't a freight train. That's one I saw a few days ago at the station doing track repairs a bit further along in that direction. Next one should be a container train full of containers going to Southampton docks from Leeds, yeah, so we watch out for that one. Nothing coming that way. Next one should be in about 5 minutes time, so hold on folks, so we'll be right back. Here's the one I've been waiting for. That one's off to Southampton. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? I'll catch you all soon in next video, yeah.